In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download an app you wish to set up as your new default one. In my case, Firefox. When you're ready, go into Devices Settings. Now scroll to click on Apps. Select the default apps over here and click on one of those sections you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Now tap on an app you wish to apply as your new default one and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!